Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this is a 35mm reversal film. I have this subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Fresco, used filter called Find Edges. And I want to make something interesting, well, dry media type, illustration type image with these two images. Well, let's get started. I'm going to make duplicate on this image, base image. I'm going to duplicate layer, and one is just turn it off to keep it. Then I'm going to, well, sort of smudge with this image, base image first. Choose the smudge tool. How about soft chalk? No, that's but rough pencil, maybe size. Not much. Well, pastel square. It's gonna, well, this is interesting smudge. I'm using rough pastel square. Interesting. Well, let's use it and get used to it. I want to see the white border both sides. Now size 4000, 3000, change to 4200, huh? Okay, smudge. Okay, I think I know now how to use smudge tool. Okay, now I go around overall. Okay, I'm gonna add color and also smudge at the same time. And blue sky. Strange feeling. Kind of oil paint move around the pixels. I never feel this way. This is kind of strange. Okay, now almost done. Took some long time. Alright, overall smudging, some touch up, background and stuff. Well, now I have pencil drawing type. Turn it on, then change blend mode. Let's see. That's pink light. Now luminosity. About 70 now. Well, this is interesting. Maybe I can get this kind of texture too. Yeah, okay. Give it 50. I will get color like this. Okay. Let's get make 70% luminosity this color. Now I'm going to select multiple. 1 and 2, smudge the image, then duplicate layers. Now I'm going to merge layers selected to get this image, right? Now it's a normal blend. Let's see if I turn this pencil drawing type image off. Now we are looking at this regular image, but let's see, change blend mode to darken, multiply, colors go darker. Interesting effect, pin light. This is pretty nice, very interesting. This is more pastel, luminosity or pin light. Luminosity, pin light. Pin light goes a little bit darker and a little more illustration type image. Yeah. Okay, used pin light. This is interesting. Yeah, how about just leave it this way and add layer. Let's see, if I move this pencil drawing type image, no, move to top. Then if I change this to color, no, just leave it, just turn it off now. I'm going to change this name, that's a luminosity effect. Yeah, then change the normal to pin light, right? Then I'm going to add one more layer on top of this. And then let's see, I want this nice pastel color. You can see the color. Let's see, I want to see the change blend mode to color, how it's going to look like. Yeah, a little more saturated color, right? Okay, let me just paint some. Highlight side is okay, but shadow area, I want to change some, add blue or color. Oh, it's going to turn. Same brush. Okay, let me add some greens. Okay, and the blue. Get the color of the hair. Well, I'm painting here and change the blend mode is color. Now, well, overall, I guess this is pretty interesting illustration. Maybe some black lines. Let's see. I had a pencil drawing type image here, right? Then I'm going to turn it on. Then change the blend mode to darken or multiply. Then turn it down just a touch, about 50. Yeah, 50. Not much. Then let's see. Overall, top layer, maybe appearances, brightness, contrast. Give it brightness 25, contrast about 10. Well, on and off. Yeah, I guess this is some kind of illustration. Well, I guess that's it for today. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, making illustration image from photograph. Yeah. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. And well, you guys have a good one, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.